that said, let's talk about the Stanford prison experiment. The intent of this experiment was to determine the psychological effects of being a guard or a prisoner. A group of 24 men were selected to be either a guard or a prisoner in a mock prison. A mock prison that actually had cells in a closet for solitary confinement. And yeah, those assigned as prisoners were arrested and fingerprinted, stripped of their names, and were known only by a number. Intended to run for a full 2 weeks, this experiment ended abruptly after 6 days because the guards, they became brutal and sadistic, and the prisoners started suffering emotional distress and breakdowns. Of course, like any experiment, there were pros and cons to this one as well, and some consider this experiment nothing but a morality play and not a real scientific experiment. But while the Stanford experiment didn't influence U.S. prison policy by changing any specific laws, it did bring a lot of awareness as well as producing a lot of situational awareness that resulted in things like better training for the prison guards.